Page number 6, exercise 1-1. Question number 6. Let A is equal to set x belongs to W such that x less than 2. B is equal to set x belongs to N such that 1 less than x less than or equal to 4. And C is equal to set 3, 5. Verify that first one A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. Second one A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Third one A union B cross C is equal to A cross C union B cross C. Solution. First we have to find the elements of this set A. Here x belongs to W is given. W means the set of all whole numbers. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, 0 can be taken first, then 1 can be taken, 2 cannot be taken since that the element less than 2. Therefore, up to 1 we can take. Then B. B is equal to x belongs to N. N, we know that set of all natural numbers. That means 1, 2, 3, etc. But here 1 less than x less than or equal to 4 is given. That means here 1 less than x means that x greater than 1. Therefore 2 can be taken, 3 can be taken, then 4 also can be taken since here x less than or equal to 4 is given. Therefore the elements are 2, 3, 4. Therefore B is equal to 2, 3, 4. Then take C. C is given 3, 5. Then first problem, take LHS. First LHS A cross B union C. LHS is equal to A cross B union C. First find B union C. B union C. Union means join the elements of B and C. Here, these are the elements of B. These are the elements of C. Just join these elements. We will get B union C. That is 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 is repeated. Therefore, take 3 one time. Now we get B union C is equal to this set. Then find out whole LHS. That is A cross B union C. A cross B union C. Substitute the set A first. A is the set 0, 1. Then put this cross. Then write the set B union C. B union C is this set. This set can be written here. Then take cross product. Do as previous problems in exercise 1-1. Then we will get this cross product. Then put equation number 1. Since here LHS is over, therefore we can put equation number 1. Then take RHS. What is RHS? In first one, this is RHS. Therefore, we can take RHS is equal to A cross B union A cross C. First find A cross B is equal to, first substitute the set A 0, 1, then put cross, then substitute the set B. B is, we know that the set 2, 3, 4, that can be substituted here. Then take cross product. Do as the previous problems in exercise 1-1. Then we will get this product. Then find out A cross C. A cross C is equal to, substitute the set A first, 0, 1. A is 0, 1. Then put this cross. Then substitute the set C. C is, we know that, 3, 5. That can be substituted here. Then take cross product. We will get 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5. Then find out the whole RHS. A cross B union A cross C. A cross B union A cross C. Here union means we know that just join the elements of first set and the second set. Here first set is A cross B, second set is A cross C. Join these elements and these elements. First take 0, 2, 0, 2, then 0, 3, then 0, 4, then take 0, 5, taken in ascending order. Here 0, 3, 0, 3. 0, 3 is repeating. Therefore, take one time. 0, 3. Then 0, 5 is taken. Next 1, 2. 1, 2. Then 1, 3. 1, 4. Then last 1, 5. Here we should take in ascending order. Order can be changed, no problem. But it is better to take in ascending order. Then put equation number 2. Since here RHS is over. Then compare 1 and 2. In equation number 1, this is the set. In equation number 2, this is the set. These two sets are equal here. Therefore, from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. That is, A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. It is verified or verification. Then second one. What is second problem? Second is, here we have to take LHS is equal to A cross B intersection C. RHS is this one. First take LHS. A cross B intersection C. A cross B intersection C. LHS is equal to A cross B intersection C. First find B intersection C. Here intersection means take common elements between B and C. Here B is 2, 3, 4. C is 3, 5. Take common element or common elements. Here 3 is common, therefore 3 can be taken. 3. Then we get B intersection C is equal to the set 3. Then find out the whole LHS A cross B intersection C. A cross B intersection C is nothing but, first write the set A. A is 0, 1. Then put this cross. Then write this set B intersection C. That is the set 3. Then take cross product. Do as the previous problems in exercise 1.1. We get this set. Then put equation number 1. Since here LHS is over. Then take RHS. RHS is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. First find A cross B. A cross B is already found out in first one. This is A cross B. This can be taken here directly. A cross B. Then A cross C. A cross C is also here already found out. This can be taken directly. Then find out the whole RHS. A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B intersection A cross C. Here intersection means we know that take common elements between first one and second one. First set and second set. Here first set is A cross B. Second set is A cross C. This is first set. This is second set. Take common elements between these two sets. Here 0, 2 cannot be taken. It is not common. 0, 3, 0, 3 is common. Therefore, it can be taken. Then 0, 4 is not common. 1, 2 is not common. 1, 3 is common. That can be taken. Then 1, 4 is not common. Therefore, then put equation number 2. Since here RHS is over, then compare first equation and the second equation. In first equation, this is a set. In second equation, this is a set. These two sets are equal here. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we can write LHS is equal to RHS. That is A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Verification, or it is verified. Then third problem. What is third one? In third one, an equation is given. This is LHS, this is RHS. Take first LHS is equal to A union B cross C. LHS is equal to, in third one, A union B cross C. First find A union B. Union is nothing but just join the elements of first one and the second one. That means the elements of A and B. Join the elements of A and B. We will get 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. A union B is nothing but A union B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then find out the whole LHS. A union B cross C. A union B cross C. First write A union B. This is the set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put this cross. Then write the set C. C is, we know that 3, 5. Then take cross product. Do as in previous problem in exercise 1, 1. We get this set. Put equation number 1. Since here LHS is over, then RHS. What is RHS in 3? In third problem, RHS is, this is the RHS. A cross C union B cross C. Therefore, we can take RHS is equal to A cross C union B cross C. First find A cross C. A cross C is equal to, directly we can take, it is already found out in first problem. Then we can take directly. Then find out B cross C. B cross C is nothing but, first write the set B. B is 2, 3, 4. Then put cross. Then write C 3, 5. Then take cross product. Do as in previous problem in exercise 1, 1. We get this set. Then find out the whole RHS. A cross C union B cross C. A cross C union B cross C. First write here union means we know that just join the elements of first set and the second set. Here first set is A cross C, second set is B cross C. Just joining these elements. We get first set is, this is the first set, this is second set. Just join these elements. First 0, 3, then 0, 5, take in ascending order. Then 1, 3, then 1, 5. 1, 5, then 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. Put equation number 2. Since here RHS is over. Then compare first equation and the second equation. In first equation, this set and in second equation, this set are equal here. Therefore, we can write from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. That is, A union B cross C is equal to A cross C union B cross C. It is verified, or we can write verification.